Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are well and you are enjoying very much my lesson. Today I will discuss with you another important lesson. Today's lesson: what is elite and meaning of elite. Okay, let's start. What is elite? This refers to a minority group which has power or influence over others and is recognized as being in some way superior. Baltimore, Elite and Society, 1964, page number 14. The term elite is now generally applied, in fact, to functional, mainly occupational groups which have high status in society. Timashev, 1967, page number 165. Elite consists of individuals of highest performance in their respective fields. Mills, Powre Elite, 1956, page number 123. Elite are those who have the command post and wealth to exercise power. They are superior in power and energy. So, it can be said that elites are those individuals in the society who are leading the way in their respective professions by their own qualifications and skills. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.